Oh my goodness, you looking handsome.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yes.
Put filters on your cat, they said. It'll be cute, they said.
Romeo's crying because this, oh my god, I gave him a massage.
My name is Kitty Cat.
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Influencers.
So you do a lot of social media stuff. So you're at home a lot?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Do you get out of the house much?
No.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Rating snap filters on my cat.
Ollie, come here. Come here.
Here's a hot tip for you. If you ever decide to use the mirror filter on this stupid app, make sure you don't also rotate your phone 90 degrees, because if you do, you might accidentally scar yourself for life.
I want to try this color changing filter on my cat, Cairo. This one's supposed to change things from yellow to blue. Oh my gosh. Your eyes! Hi, baby!